Thanks. As the White House cracks down on illegal immigration, Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry says Louisiana is now in lockstep.
Well, the governor signed Operation Go. That's an executive order enhancing police's powers to address undocumented immigrants. Jonah Gilmore explains the plan and the opposition.
It breaks my heart. We are all less safe when police collaborate with ICE.
Rachel Tabor with Union Morgente says Governor Jeff Landry's Operation Go is a target on the immigrant community.
We don't see police massively enforcing people who look like myself who have unpaid parking tickets.
The executive order expands the powers police across Louisiana can use to enforce immigration laws. Data shows that the estimated population of undocumented people in the state was nearly 100,000 in 2021.
Our local law enforcement know how to do their job. They don't need politicos in Baton Rouge or on a national level telling them what to do.
According to the governor, local agencies will be provided tools to carry out enhanced screenings, aggressive identification, and a massive public awareness campaign.
I don't think that we need to be shielding illegal aliens who've been accused of crimes from having them removed.
In a statement, Governor Landry says, in part, if you're here illegally and you engage in criminal activity, you're going to be deported or sent to jail.
I certainly support the governor in making sure that criminal illegal aliens are removed.
Immigration advocates call the executive order unfair, saying it could exacerbate fears in some communities that may be hesitant to contact police for help.
But nobody deserves a death penalty of never being able to hug their children again or of being deported to a country where they fear for their life because of a misdemeanor.
Right now, the specific logistics are unclear, and it's unknown if local agencies could opt out. But we do know the executive order directs state law enforcement to explore and enter into agreements with ICE where appropriate. While both the state's attorney general and immigration advocates have opposing views, they both want what they call safety.
It is a good idea because then you've at least coordinated. ICE has coordinated with local law enforcement.
It's very important that we have equal consequences, and we don't need our law enforcement distracted doing the job that ICE and the feds are already doing.
Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.
And the executive order directs state police, wildlife and fisheries, and the National Guard, among other state agencies, to launch public awareness campaigns about their safety initiatives. As of now, Kenner Police is the only department in the state with a specific ICE partnership.
And this